An penlong ka Meghalaya ya ka Northeast India Infrastructure Summit ha ka khatsan bat khan riu tarik menta ubna jelio ban pennet jingmut ha ka ban kentiu ha ka liang ki jingtei bat kilat ban bei tingka ha ka than. Sedang ka UDP ya gajing pen kre na ka benta ka election shiteng samoi shalok sabha bat ka dang plelat ban yo jing ka shan na ki we ki seng san per thai ong u president uba met ba lingdo. Pen pa u MNA ka UDP uba polling do halor gajing ni no kibabun kinong yalam bat ula kentai badon gajing duna no yalam hapo kaseng. Penyat Menteri Rang Badu Kabi Narendra Modi ya gaji yalang jangka Niti Ayog kabakat we New Delhi ya shimbenta Menteri Rang Ba gajala ukonrat sangma ha gaji emerging mud ha ka Viksit Bharat arajar sa punyo. Bat ka FIFA World Cup arajar alpin Rio kan sedang shibit anya kun ka Mexico bat ka South Africa ha gajing play ha Estadio Azteca. Mentangin ya Pashwa Shaki Kubor na kalengga jela. Ka Sarkar Meghalaya kan penlong ya ka Northeast India Infrastructure Summit halarity ha ka khatsan bat kan riu tarik menta ubanai ha ka ba onya lumlang ni kinong mi khmat na baro gi jela ka than chatai la mingi kumchu na ka Sarkar pedeng kinong yalam na ki karkhana bat kinong beitingka banwad ikilat kilenti penroi ha ka than u commissioner bat secretary PWD u Sanjay Goyal ulaong bagani gajing yalang katmu banlong kum karensan ha kathan na kabenta gajing beitingka bat gajing kieu ha gajing tei ringkat bat gajing yeshibenta chongki babun kani gajing yalang kan penne jingmut ha ki benta bakinthop ya gajing adai ka kam jingo kai perthai gajing pen poimar kaling sun kijing tei pen bha ha ki ko digital bat gijing beitingka lingba ka PPP bat kan don gijing pen I bat jinge kran halor kimat ban gentieu ya kathan chatei la mingi.
The government of Meghalaya is hosting on 15th and 16th of June here in Shillong at Lariti Performing Center. This event has been envisaged as a regional investment and infrastructure platform for all the northeastern states, including Meghalaya. And we are hosting this event. I think this is one of its kinds of summit wherein we are planning to bring all the states. Honorable CM has written to the Honorable CMs of all the northeastern states, all the relevant ministries, union ministers we have written. The letters have also gone to the chief secretaries of all the northeastern states as well as the union secretaries of the relevant ministries, and we are getting lot many confirmations for this two-day event. This is basically focused on various core sectors, which would be like connectivity, tourism, logistics, aviation, digital infrastructure, food processing, and PPP kind of investments. U President ka UDP uba medba lingdo henin kasi ulaong ba ka senggalastang ya gajing penkre nakabenta ka election shiteng samoy shalok sabha da ka ba penlong ya gajing yalang bat kinong yalam kinong trei bat kinong krisyan wad haba ompat la ban penbena ya kapor ban penlong ya ka election ulaong ba ka seng kadang bud denru ya ka special intensive revision chungki thup kerteng kinong thapwood halor gajing krisyan kabala ba kabala ban mi na ka Hill State People's Democratic Party uba lingdo ulaong ba hadu menta kam shem ladon kanu gajing ekren haba benrap ba ka UDP kadang plelat ya gajing kershan na ki seng san perthai ki ken hun bat ki riu shimen.
We would not gone into the full swing mode because the announcement of the election date also is yet to be notified. But looking at the SIR exercise that is being, yet to commence immediately, and that also one part. So side by side, the election cannot be held. So one has to take a call for it. So it all depends on the government and the election commission of India.
So a few campaigns have taken place.
We have just started.
Yeah.
We have just started in a low mode, and basically we are going to meet all the party leaders, party workers, and all well-wishers who would like to attend those programs, but not in the public. No communication so far from matches with the people. But we are still keeping the door open for any individual or any political party or any group to extend the support for us.
MLA ka BJP uba AL heng henen kasngi ulaong bakaseng kandang yai beteng ya kijing persyang chongka ban pentikna ban penrung ya kaktian khasi bat garo hapwa ka krenet ka bapra jang kariti sensar kari ula kedau babaro artali kiktian kila yo alpa ya kijing itu hajela Meghalaya bat ulaong bakasen jam ka ban bud kalong ban penbor ya ka sarkar pedeng ban itu yaki ha ka krenet ka bapra uba hek ula benrap bagi nong mi khmat chong BJP kenthop ya menteri sarkar chong kani ka seng kidang yai budin ya kani ka kam bat ka sarkar pedeng.
Fusions of the Khasi and Garo language. So recently we have seen the government of Meghalaya, MDA government, MDA2, have already sent that ordinance and approved by the honorable government. So this one we have been done in the past also for the ordinance. Now also, before also and now also, in Meghalaya, state of Meghalaya, the Khasi and Garo is the associate official language. Now also, it is already through the ordinance only. So now the important here is we have to we have to request and appeal to the government of India to include into the 8th schedule for the recognitions of the Khasi and the Garo language. BJP and also we have two MLA, one the Honorable Minister, they are pursuing this to ensure that the government of India will recognize the Khasi and the Garo languages to include into the 8th schedule of the constitutions of India.
MLA ka UDP bat ubalong menteri barim ka sarkar jela uba polling do henen kasi ulapan pau ya gijingmi no chungi kattu ka ningut kinong yalam barang ba na ka United Democratic Party hakini kisnem ki balaleng ki bakentop ya uba bindu Lanong Samuel Sangma ba Jamino Mautho ba Lambol Marnyang ba Robert Chun Kharjarin bat uba Armanwar uba lingdo ulakentaj bansyu antat yakidaw ki balapen long yaki banmi no ulaong babun kinong yalam ki balayarap bantay ya kaseng kilaya chakmat bat bagi beriu ki day ban perkhat ya ki daw ulakan tait ru ya ki jing keno badon kanu gajing ha ka kam no yalam hapo kaseng.
Well, I will not give you any opinion, but I can give prominent leaders who have left the UDP under the current leadership. Pak Bindu Lanong, Samuel Sangma, Jamino Lambor Marnyang, dan Robert Kharjarin, Dr. Amanwar. So this is just a reminder of facts. I won't even say anything on it. Why these gentlemen have left is for your viewers and the people of Meghalaya to find out. I will not say it's the start or the end or the middle part, but the fact is you have so many prominent personalities who have contributed immensely to the polity of Meghalaya, and these gentlemen have left.
Menteri Katanat Boarding uba medba lingdo ulakan tat ya kanu ka senjam ban IT Shakiriu Shimet ya ka Meghalaya Energy Corporation Limited da ka baong bagajing temu jong ka sarkar kalong ban pen klan ya ka bat ban kampen bha ya ka ha ka liang gajing lut jing sen ulaong ba ka MEECL kala pen ya kidak ban pen KM biang bat pen pau ya gajing ngos kem bakala ban wan pai biang syaka kerdan ka baklan hapo kini ki R nilai snem ban wan uba lingdo ulapen banaru baka MEECL
kalaweng no ya ka letter of award bala ai syaka SAI Computers Limited na kabantaban Sam Boarding Hamau Sindram Subdivision bad kan shimti ya ki kam kicam khnang ba kanomman ra ikijing duko hakurukam trekam da ka ba pensyai ba ya ka tai karai la shim hadian kijing pentrekam ka babyang bad kam sham la donjing ade bad kijing ja badang shen.
The part as far as the privatization is concerned, I think we have never thought of is basically we would like to see how the MCL comes back into a healthy, platform, and we are working in that. So the trend which is showing now for the last few years, I think it's a good trend. It's very positive, but I think still some more years we have to go. But I think after maybe perhaps 2 or 3 years time, perhaps we will be back and corporation will be, financially especially, will be in the better position. So we had decided to cancel the letter of award that we given to the Sai Computers Limited, and the corporation will take over if there's no other way or that we can take over from there. But however, the corporation will do the needful.
Unong yalam barang ba jong ke BJP ubadeiru UMLA ka penthor umkra uba AL hek henen kasngi ula ong bagi jing persyang kidang yai beteng ban penkala ya ka Foreign Contribution Regulation Act da ka bakam baka sarkar pedeng kala jubab igi jing bala penpau da kinong shimbenta ula ong ba ula tho sha menteri rang ba du kari Narendra Modi bad ula yo igi jing pentikna ba yagi jing ai jing mut jong u an saperkhan hagaju kapor ula pediang smo baru yaki kaipot halor gajing emerging mut jong kiken huan bapher uba hek ula ongru ba kanu gajing jingle halor ka ILP ni gajing penklan ya ka MRSSA dei ban bishar benya bha na ka benta gajing shngan jong kinong shnong bad gajing mentoy jong kinong wan jong kai perthai.
I request the state of Meghalaya, the government of Meghalaya, and the people of Meghalaya. So whenever we are and want to introduce the ILP or the MRSSA in the state of Meghalaya, we have to see first the doable, which is to be which one to be done, do and don't. So the doable part only it should be beneficial for all the people, not only for the people. We to see the interest of the people of the state of Meghalaya, and also we have to see the safety and the interest of the people who are coming to the state of Meghalaya.
MLA Kamau Sindram uba Olan Singh Sun henen kasngi wala pediang ya karai jong ka Meghalaya Power Distribution Corporation Limited ban shimti biang yagi jing penyat bat Sam Boarding Hamau Sindram Subdivision hadian balaweng no ya ka letter of award bala ai syaka SAI Computers Limited kani karai kalawan hadian ba ka ka company kam shimlala ban penbiang kat kum ki kendon bala bu bat ban soy ya ka distribution franchise agreement hapo kapor bala bu da kani gajing pensenge ka MEPDCL kelas dang biang bante lakam ha gajing Sam Boarding ha ka ka thain ha ka ba uba sun ula ong ba ka ka senjam kan penbha yi gajing kit kli bat gajing shikri jongka
kabhai ladam di bakhi kirang basinam ladam khri di bakhi kiseng malang ngatrai kani kam kanam peteng bai di nomor ba na tanga super snow nakalian yungi kinong ikman mapakani ka subdivision Mausunram MCL ka kentup baro eko ka Mausunram konstitusi shiteng ya karani kor konstitusi shiteng mo plan konstitusi okay kila cancel ya ka mentang sini spotri kani ka kamu hapsim ka corporation kan hapsim ka MCL kin item da kin ngatrai kin ay franchise na kin masyu ngamti lagi ay franchise kan dokot da koi ka tendar nakit pe ihi maki kina hape ihi na maki matang kran mar babar oi pabagi kwa ba kan pe no hi ga MCL namar ba pe ihi ga di ka corporation ka badi ka try jong kani ka badi ka try kani boarding te ka bani kran di ay khamso hi
MLA ka BJP uba AL hek Ula ong ba kanu gejing temu ban wanra ya kalenti rel hamikalia kadai ban dabisha benia shwa ya gejing ta jongka ya gejala bat ya kipat ba nong shong shnong. Ula bancur ba dai ban yakran bat baro kinong shimbenta bagi projek kidai ban penyahap ya gejing mentoi jongka than bat kari bat pentikna ba kinom kta ya kipat ba. Uba hek ulaya thu ba ulara ya gejing dawa sya menteri kakwat kakia jong ka sarkar pedeng UJP nada banyo ya kekerdan Institute of National Importance na kabenta ka Northeastern Indira Gandhi Regional Institute of Health and Medical Sciences hakapor ba ulawan sya kani kajela watla amshamladon kanu kejing ekren kababnia halor kani kabenta.
See the doable, which will not affect the the small populations of Meghalaya, will not be affect the people who are coming to Meghalaya. So this is have to look after all precisely. We have to be very study first before bringing this kind of project to introduce in the state of Meghalaya. We have to study which is important should be doable for the interest of the state and also within the national interest. Regarding the INI of the Negrim Hospital, this is not the first time. When Mansukh Mandavia, when he was health minister, that time also I have written to him, and also he had acknowledged me very clearly that is under the considerations. So recently, when the Honorable Union Minister for Health and Family Welfare, Shri J.P. Naddaji, came to Shillong to inaugurate the RE Hospital, so I got an opportunity to meet him, and also got a letter given by all the Negrim Employees Associations to recognize the Negrim Hospital as the INI, the Institutes of National Importance. So that one also he already given he told that he will examine and assured me it will be considered.
Kaseng Kongres kalanang hiar arsud Haribhoi District hakaba unnong yalam barang ba jangka uba Rocky Marwen ula hiar shukino kum president jong baro artali ki committee Haribhoi District Congress Committee bat ka umsning Block Congress Committee ha ka shiti eno kam jong balapha sha president ka Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee uba Marwen ula kdo ya kidaw shimen bat ula pensyai bakarai jong kam day nakadaw jong gajing bom sngohun ya ka party lani ya kinong yalam jongka ula ai khublei ya ka Indian National Congress halor gajing shania bat gajing kit kli kabala ai bat ula kit bok kit riang ya ka seng bakan nang chop hakikam ki cham jongka nang ni shakhman Unong Aiktien ka Meghalaya Commercial Truck Owners and Drivers Association uba Wanshwanong Tudu ula ai gajing keshan ya uba Marshal SBBM uba dang syatngan klembu por nadu ka shitarig ujeliu bandawas dang biang ya gajing ti doyong ha East Giant Hills uba nong tudu ula ong bakani gajing dawa kadai ka balas nembha nadu balakhang da ka NGT haus nam arajar khatsau bad ula kentu ya ka sarkar ban wengno ya kani gajing lingba gajing penkala ki babiang haki anti marpo khandau bad ula kentu ya ki nong shong shnong ban kershan ya kani gajing ki na ka benta ban wanra biang ya ka yo ka kot ha kani ka district.
One more. Since 1984, the NGT have burned a rat mining hole in 2014, but it's roughly already 30 years. We have got opportunity since 1984 till 2014, with almost 30 years. But since 2024 till now, I think it is almost 12 years. But my question now, in these 12 years, we have seen a lot of governments have promised to our peoples, especially the livings in Jaintia. They have come and goes with the promise. They have come and goes with the promise. But till now, we are very sad to see that we have gained or we have got only this promise without no action. I humble request and I appeals to all my colleagues who are reside in East Jaintia, please come out and support to our Marshal, because this is not for his personal benefit. This is a whole benefit of our East Jaintia Hills.
Ka Khasi Students Union East China Hills District kala ai gajing kershan ya usamla Marshal SB Biam ubadon hapdeng gajing syatngan ka baklembu por nadu ka shitarik ujeliu bandawa na kabenta ban sedang biang ya gajing ti doyong hakate ke district hapo gajing alam u streamly and suchen kaseng kala ong ba gajing khang ti doyong nadu usnam arachar khatsau kala khta ya ka kamai gachi bad kala penlong yi ki samla bakin kin ria jaka na kabenta ban yo kam Tikumta ka KSU kalakentu ya ka sorkar bakan tuklar ya kani gajing bad kala penpau biang ya gajing kershan na kabanta ban plie biang ya ki kamti doyong ha gajala
ni pha ya korwo ka bai sai krar cha ka sorkar halor gajing syatngan jong no samlarang ba maka por gam desu ya sorkar ban madla ani ka por gam desu ya sorkar ban ani kesorkar kam desu ban song klikti ani kam desu ban kingsting alor gajing ya unti jong no samla ban ikan tujur ya kesorkar jela bagade ban le alor gane daga ba plino ya de yong khnang ba ki paj ba jong jela mi kali kin yo ban ti sup yo no mar pom deu mar kom ba piti bi baga jela mi kali jong i kadon ya ka siksidul ude ki trai muluk udan gohok khande ude ke jongi omban batai da gi pat hene asa minta stang sorkar hi bahkan pembej mardor yang kam
u MLA Karanikor uba Pius Marwen henen kasni ulapli ya ka yeng school balashna thamai chongka chibak government LP school kabadon ha southwest Khasi Hills district kabalate hapo ka school infrastructure upgradation project hagajing lot kaba sabu saw point nyau khandai lak tingka habakran hagani kasni uba Marwen ulaong bakapuli puthi kalong kamat bahakmat jong u bat penpau ye gajing persyang ban gintiu hagajing te ye ki yeng school hapo ka constituency Ula ongru ba katu katni gijing kular hakapor bayalap election house nem arajar khatpra bakin thop yaki surok ki ying school ki jaka sumar bat ka boarding kila urlong Henry ukam ba dangdon ki kampen roy ki badangsa ki ba uhab ban pendem
I don't want to hurt that. Two things I want to remind regarding this government school. When I won election in 2018, first thing they came in newspaper that in Domyaset there is the name of government school, but the government denied because there is zero name. They didn't give government school. Just I heard that just within 5 or 6 months, I put a scheme. Domyaset now. Just maybe household around 15 or 16 household, but government school is there, teachers is there. Secondly, there is a one again complaint that in Rondangai there is government school, no building, but no building. Everybody, our people know Rondangai now. The school is nearby the road only. Just after I heard that, see Rondangai. Government school is there or not? In each and every village, tell me regarding government school. I don't want to hurt that there is no building, there is no teachers, and there is no student. This is my promise because we know government school, especially we help for the poor.
Mentang in yapai shiki kuwar nakathan chatay lamini. Ya ka medyap jengki henriau ngut kinaka kibala kenno bagila syara bor haka khatlai tarik unaitung lalap henen kasngi ha Manipur Kangpok Pi district hadian gejing khenralang jengki pulet ka Manipur ki sipai Assam rifle bat ki CRPF ki pulet ki layathu bagini ki balayap langit beki dei na pteng ki bala syara bor nakasnong leilon waipai bat gejing toket kadang ya chakman Hadian kani gejingja ka United Naka Council kalakhot ya gejing khang kherdep ka ba arpho saw kanta hagijaka jengkinaka bad dawa ban wengno ya ka sembut menteri rangba ka Manipur ka Nemcha
kipken hakaba kila penlong ru ya gejing ki bat jing lom lang ha Jawaharlal Nehru Institute of Medical Sciences kat ba ki bahiyeng hasam bat kin nong shong shnong kidang wat ya ki jubab halor kite gejing sha penyam mentang ini apa syeki kubor na kelengkari Menteri Rang Bakdu Kari Narendra Modi hene kasni ula penyat ya kejialang jangka Governing Council kabakhatway jangka Niti Ayog ha Rashtrapati Bhavan ha New Delhi haba ajing kren umudi ula banjur halor kejing don kam ka puli puthi kijing hikai penteben kajing sengkam sengjam kajing kentiau ya ki MSME bat kajing penkubor ki kentai kani kejialang kalong ban pendek jingmot halor kapang Inclusive Human Development for Viksit Bharat arajar sapunyo hakaba ki menteri rangba bat kilat kejela kilaya mirlang halor ki buit rekam na kabenta gejing roi kabane bat kabaken thop lang ya baro menteri rangba gejela ukonrat ke sangma rengkat Chief Secretary Dr. Shakil P Ahmed kilaya shimbenta hakani gejingalang mentangin ya pai syeki kubor ya lekai Kinong Yelekai na Shillong Taekwondo Academy hapo ka All Meghalaya Taekwondo Association kilayo kur santali kitakma haka Sikkim Open International Taekwondo Championship arajar apun rio kabaningkong kabalalong ha Sikkim nadu ka rio hadu pratarik ujeliu Kinong chap kikentop ya I Ridhawan Gurung ibalayo kur ya katakmak siar I Clifford Louis Ram bad I Hamishan ki nongkenri kibalayo kur ya katakma rupa I Chatin Koda bad I Nebar Yosda natem kilayo kur ya katakma nong ka AMTA kalayaro bad kublay ya kini kinong ilekai bad ki coach daga baong bagani ke jingchop kapen pau ya jing nangkiu jeng jing ilekai taekwondo hagajala watla gejing yakop kalong kabating bad kinong ilekai kari bad nakeleng kaperthai Kalimpung FIFA World Cup arajar apun rio kan sedang mentakasi hakeleng ke United States, Canada bat Mexico, kabalong gejing lekai ke bahetam ha ke history. Hakani ke World Cup kendon sapu pratali ki kenhun bat shis pa sautali gejing lekai. Kani gejing yakop kan kut ha ka khat khandai tarik unai tung. Ha ka sedang ke Mexico kan sai khon Persia ya ke South Africa, ha ka group A Hamadan Estadio Azteca. Ka Mexico ka klempat syarem haki pratali ki jingelek kai balala katba ka South Africa kan mi banyakun ningkong hakani ke Limpung nadu ba kalarung hausnem arajar shipo palat prapo hajar ngut kinong kershan kin saki hakas ngisdang hakaway nagi jakai lek kai football ba pau nam tam Timintang ini pet ikijing longjing man kesin beneng hakeleng ki benta jong kejela. Hatura gajing kriat kalong 40 degree Celsius, bat gajing shed kalong 40 degree Celsius. Gajing sngam ka haw kalong nyopupra na kashispa. Gajing hap slap kalong iwe 0.0 mm. Haba pai pat shanong ba shilong gajing kriat kalong khat khandai degree Celsius bat gajing shed kalong 40 degree Celsius. Gajing sngam ka haw kalong riyo nyaw na kashispa. Gajing hap slap kalong 0.0 mm. Kat bah jawai gajing kriat kalong khat khandai degree Celsius bat gajing shed kalong 40 degree Celsius. Gajing sngam ka haw kalong nyopo saw na kashispa. Gajing hap slap kalong lai point r mm. Kosun beneng kandumun o bat kala ru bandan gajing hap slap haki babun kicaka hatura shilong bat jawai. Chua ban poi sha ka bakut jong ka thuk khubor ngine pet biang se shisin yakimat bakong san. An penlong ka Meghalaya ya ka North East India Infrastructure Summit ha ka khat san bat khan rio tarik menta ubanai jelio ban pen le jingmut ha ka ban kentio ha ka liang ki jingtei bat kilat ban baiting ka ha ka than. Sedang ke UDP ya gijing pen kre na ka banta ke election shiteng samoi shalok sabha bat kadang plelat ban yo jingkershan na ki we ki seng san perthai ong u president uba met ba lingdo. Penpa UMLA ke UDP uba polling do halor ke jingmi no ki babun ki noyalam bat ulakan taj badon ke jingduna noyalam hapo kaseng. Penyat Menteri Rang Badu Kavi Narendra Modi ya ke jingalang jangkan niti ayu kabakhat wei New Delhi ke shimbenta Menteri Rang Bak Gejala ukonrat ke sangma ha jing emerging mut ha ka viksit Bharat arajar sapunyo. Bat ka FIFA World Cup arajar apun Rio kan sedang shibit anya kun ke Mexico bat ke South Africa ha jing play ha Estadio Azteca. Te paralok tungila poisha ka bakut jang ka thuk khubor jingi menta ka janmit hadu bangin daya syambiang bat phila shai ka singi ka blai phi baro.